you've got to go to... But go on, turn. Turn the bloody thing. Go on, turn it. You bloody hell, Logan. Beds and storage. I know. I said this, I've said it once, I've said it 1,000 times. I'm not going to remodel the bus again. Okay, I'm remodeling the bus again. This is basically what the bed will look like. I've just done this roughly. The other things I've done, I've moved the toilet, moved one of the tellies. Yes, it's a complete revamp, actually. A complete revamp, to say the least. Just a complete revamp. Okay. Today, I have been... it's not down properly yet. Laying the new floor. Still needs a bit of sorting out, as you can see. The bed, well, the bed is back down at the moment, but it's going to go up. Photograph, please. So that will have some storage under there. This will also have some storage in here. I've got to box off the gas pipes first. And here, well, this is where I'm going to put a toilet. I'm going to have to actually box it in. So it'll go, there's going to be a bit of wood coming up here and a bit of wood going across the back. And actually make it into a toilet. So yeah, last time I moved everything round, I honestly thought that was going to be it, but no. So that's going to be the toilet. And then of course there's this, which was all the wiring behind. So I'm going to have to sort out all that wiring, to say the least. And try and get it behind, because this will be the toilet, and we'll be able to open the oh no, pull it that way. Oh right, okay, pull it that way, right. That's how we're gonna freshen the toilet if it needs it. I went down to a caravan junkyard and found one of these. So this is going to be the new table when I get it all put together, which I'm yeah, it needs a bit of bleaching first, believe you me, and a bit of a clean up, but hopefully that should be all right. I thought they were stuffed, but they're not, they're moving. Oh, bless. Oh, bless. Might be a bit joggy in the van. Looking for no kittens. Rabbits. Pigs for sale.